welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing a 5x5 curly closure wig by Whiskey's Hair. I never do a ball cap with my closures because I really just don't feel like it's necessary. So instead I'm just going to take some makeup on this wig cap. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Coconut. I believe it's the number 355. And I'm just putting this on the wig cap where you're going to kind of, I guess, see the wig cap and it blends a little bit better. So this is the wig and I just wanted to do a cute little side part today. And I'm going to be installing this with my EBIN Lace Bond Wonder Lace spray. I believe that's what it's called. I'm going to leave it on the screen. And I like to do 2 layers of this. So the first layer I like to let it dry completely. And then the second layer, I just put it on there and then I apply the lace right into the spray. And I like this spray a little bit better than Got To Be. Like, I haven't used Got To Be in so long, y'all. This spray is actually better because it doesn't turn the lace white. I notice sometimes when I use Got To Be, like, and I sleep in it overnight and I put like an elastic band or something, or a scarf over it overnight, I notice when I wake up, the lace is sometimes white, but this doesn't happen with this spray, so that's why I just really prefer it. And it actually seems like it's a lot stronger as well. If you do 2 layers of this, you can definitely get like 2 days of wear out of this spray. And right here I'm just hot combing the baby hairs down so that I can get them separated from the rest of the hair. And then I'm going to take this black elastic band. I got this from Amazon. And I like using this way better than a scarf, like a silk scarf, y'all. This right here will have your lace melted, okay? Don't play with the elastic bands for real. Like, it makes a world of a difference. So right here, I'm just taking some of my She Is Bomb wax stick. And I'm not really going to hot comb this wig down too much. I wanted this wig to be more of like a natural look. So I really just hot combed where the part is just a little bit to separate the part and make it a little bit more neater in that where the part is. And I'm also going to take some of that wax stick and put it on the edges just to create more of like a sleek look. And I'm going to hot comb this down as well. If you hot comb your edges down, like right here, I definitely recommend using an elastic band, right? Like, so that it doesn't burn your skin. So yeah, that's a little tip. Oh my gosh, y'all, look how melted. This is no makeup or nothing. Like, it's giving. Then I'm going to take this eyebrow razor and I'm just going to cut my baby hairs. I like to cut at like a slanted angle. That just makes them look a little bit more natural. And I just do that on both sides. I used to do a baby hair like in the middle as well. So I used to have like 3 different separate baby hairs. But I just really prefer to do only 2 now. Then I'm going to take this pencil flat iron. I get so many questions about this flat iron. I got this from Amazon as well. Amazon is the GOAT. Like, I get a lot of my stuff from Amazon. But I'm just curling the baby hairs upward. And I'm going to take some of this Emotions hair mousse. And I'm putting this on this edge comb. And I'm just doing the baby hairs. As far as my baby hairs, I can never get them to look the same on both sides. It's always one that looks better than the other. I don't know why that is. But I still think they came out so cute. I have a couple of different baby hair tutorials on my page. So definitely go check those out. So these are how the baby hairs turned out, really cute. And right here I'm just going to start defining these curls a little bit. So I wanted to go for like a really big but natural and curly type of look today. So I didn't want to add too much definition to these curls. I wanted them to still be fluffy. So I'm taking a little bit less water than I normally would. I got this water sprayer from Sally's. And I'm just putting a little bit of water and I'm taking my brush and brushing the curls out a little bit. And I'm also going to add some of that Emotions hair mousse to the curls to create more of like a little bit of a definition. Sometimes I be overdoing it with the mousse. Like, I be going crazy with the mousse. But I didn't want to do that today. I just wanted the hair to be very poofy but still defined at the same time. So this is a curly texture, y'all, and y'all, this hair is so freaking pretty. Like, it's actually one of my favorite curly hair textures. So this is WIG hair, and they actually have some really good quality curly hair, y'all. I didn't really have too much shedding with this curly hair. It doesn't tangle. Like, it's just some really good curly hair, so it's definitely recommended for me. And I want to say that this is 250% density, so it's really, really thick and just really full and fluffy, and I was just in love. So this is the hair once I'm done defining it, and I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is 28 inches and super full and just so cute. Love this curly hair so much. So I did over bleach this part just a little bit, so I'm going to take some of this High Beams Intense temporary hairspray, and I'm putting it on this brush, and I'm just gonna brush it a little bit where I see that I over bleached it. So this color is in the color dark brown, but it was still a little bit too light for this hair. So later on I end up having to go in with some mascara, like a black mascara, to go over it just a little bit more to get rid of that color. Then I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn in this slanted angle brush, and I'm just putting this along the part to make this part look a little bit more neater. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Coconut in this fluffy brush, and I'm just bouncing this just a little bit on the lace so that it matches just a little bit better with my skin tone. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video. So as y'all can see, I didn't really want the hair to be super duper defined. Normally with my curly hair, I put like a lot of mousse in it because I be really wanting to like make them curls pop. But today I didn't really want to do that. I wanted the hair to be thick and full, and that's exactly what it's giving. I think that this is one of the best curl textures on the market. Is so pretty. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, this is WIG hair, and it's super duper thick. I want to say that this is 250% density. If not, it gotta be like 200 because this is some thick hair, girl. I really thank you guys so much for tuning into this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's 2022. I'm finna come with more content, okay? So stay tuned for all the videos that I got coming. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you can be notified anytime your girl posts a video. And yeah, I'll definitely catch you guys in my next one.